I was building the fire up each side to keep the fire in the middle. Then what I do, I'll go around it with water to stop the fire spreading. That keeps the fire in the middle. It keeps it small instead of going big. So the fire's central now. Light up a bit. It keeps the fire controlled.
We're in the tub shop. This is one of many forge areas on the site, and its primary role was building the underground coal tubs for the whole of the colliery system over the whole railway's length. The unique feature of this building is probably its floor, which is tub bottoms that have been used so that before the wheels go onto the tubs, the workers building these tubs can slide very easily the tub around. On a concrete surface it would be too much friction, but on the metal floor that's easily moved around before the wheels are set on. The flame is brought up to its correct temperature by the use of a fan, which you can possibly hear in the background, and this can be varied for its speed so that you can get a hotter or cooler flame depending upon the needs of the job. John will raise the temperature of the metal up to about 500 degrees Celsius. He can raise the temperature even further, but obviously doesn't want to get too far because the metal will start to burn when it gets over 1,200 degrees. John Jeffries, our volunteer blacksmith, makes many artefacts, both for use within the railway system for stuff that we need repairs, but also stuff that we can sell on site to raise funds to keep the railway running. John's involved today in making some handles for a replica coal tub.
That's okay. So I bring it across, put it in. That end I cool. That's okay. That's 1/2 the handle.
John formed one end of the flange first. Once he'd got one end of the flange produced, he was able to cut the rod to size, and the metal rod is now back in the furnace, as you can see, being heated up to the correct temperature for the other flange to be placed on. John's using a hardy, which is mounted on the anvil here, to sharpen off the end and make a square cut to the flange that he's created. And then it's going to be reheated and put into the former to bend the correct shape to this final part to the handle. So here we have the finished handle, just over 4 inches for the hand grip, which is a pretty normal man's hand grip. Part of this replica coal tub obviously requires authentic looking wheels, and what John's done is to construct these from a sheet of metal, and using dividers he's scribed the various radiuses he needs for the outer flange of the wheel. He's centre popped where he wants the holes to be drilled accurately by measuring those, and then these have been drilled on the drill stand.
I'm cutting the outer flange. Say the diameter marked off. I'm checking it, make sure it doesn't pull, which it does. So then I put my flather on. That's better. That's it. Then outer plates, that's for fastened to the sole of the tub. Inner boss is all adjustable. Now what I do, turn that over, put that on there. That's a slog off the weld. That's a wheel complete. That's two of them. That's a pair done. That's it.